Valley Chevy Dealers Sports Desk. Here's Jack Burney.
Hey everybody, I wanted to show you a couple pictures. This was from our garden. I was actually out there today and took a couple pictures. This, of course, is some broccoli. Can you believe that on the 21st of December, 4 days before Christmas? We're still eating stuff out of the garden. Check this out. This is a head of cabbage. We've got cabbage, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, lettuce, celery. So we're still, pulling stuff out of the garden, even with these kind of temperatures we've got going on. Been dry summer, though, with the drought. But again, the mild temperatures out there, really kind of interesting. We'll talk about that as we get closer to the holiday. But here, look at this. We continue, even with the rainfall that we got last weekend, our southern counties remain in a severe drought. Most of the rest of the area remains in a moderate drought. So even with that little bit of rain that we got, wasn't enough really to help us with our drought status. Temperatures have been warmer every day this week. Today, a little bit warmer, 1 degree warmer in Terre Haute, Bloomington, 9 degrees warmer, though, up there in the Champaign area. So temperature yesterday at the station hit 49. We hit 51 for the high today. 38 was our low. Now, that's interesting because the average high is 38. So our low was the average high. Look at this. 1989, I remember that well, 18 below zero on this day for the record low. We just talked about the drought status, still a severe drought for much of the southern half of the area. No rain again today. We do have some rain chances in the forecast, so starting as early as tomorrow. Wabash River in Terre Haute, about 4 feet, and it is currently stationary. So this is what we're looking at then, or what we're tracking over the coming days. First of all, for tonight, okay, tomorrow a few showers, and then near record warmth on Christmas Eve. Amazing temperatures. Wet on Christmas, no snow, wet. And then cooler next week, but even when it cools off, it's still above normal. So the mild weather will continue. At the airport at Terre Haute, we're at 45 right now. The winds are southeast, only about 5 miles per hour, so not a real strong wind. Temperatures pretty nice. 40s pretty much all across the area right now. Our Casey State Bank Water Tower forecast, we take you down to Vincennes in Knox County. Look at the low, much like last night, cloudy, and we barely dropped below 40 for a low tonight. Water vapor satellite, this is our main storm right there. That's the one that's going to impact us for late Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. In the meantime, see that little spin right there? That's lifting northward. It's small compared to that one off the west coast. So this is the one here, which will move in tonight and tomorrow, bringing cloud cover and eventually some showers tomorrow. You can see the clouds are starting to thicken across the area, but on the Dorsa Automotive Doppler radar, nothing here. A couple little sprinkles to the west, but we may have a sprinkle here or there tonight, but we're in pretty good shape tonight and probably start the day tomorrow. But then as that disturbance in the plains moves in, that will increase our rain chances as we get into tomorrow, especially by mid-afternoon into the evening hours. But this should all be out of here by Saturday morning. See the clock up there? By early Saturday morning. So I think a lot of Saturday will be cloudy, but will be dry, and we're going to be very mild. Rainfall tomorrow, not going to amount to a whole lot. You'll see these numbers are generally not that high, so probably not looking at a whole lot of rain as we head into the day on Friday. A lot of Saturday and Sunday look dry. Then, as we get into Christmas morning, rain moves in as it will be mild. The system slowly spins around, keeping some showers in the forecast for the first part of next week as well, as cooler air, not colder, but as cooler air starts to move in. I wanted to show you this because this is a little longer term. This gets us out to New Year's Eve. A lot of the country looks good, including here at home as far as no big travel problems, but we are looking at some snow out to the west of this area on New Year's Eve. How about the temperatures? Well, overall things look pretty good for a while. It will turn cooler as we take you into the days following Christmas. Nothing major, but definitely will be cooler. However, see that colder air to the north? Watch this. See the date? Once we get towards the end of the month, there you go, turning to colder weather, it looks like, by the end of the month. Forecast goes like this for tonight. Cloudy skies, temperatures won't drop a lot, 39 for the overnight low. As we head into the day for tomorrow, a few showers mostly later in the day, but look at the high, 54 for the daytime high. And then after that, we're going to continue with extremely mild temperatures. Matter of fact, we're near 60 on Saturday, 63 on Christmas Eve is 2 degrees from a record. Rain showers on Christmas Day, and even when it cools, it stays in the 40s. Jack.
Thanks, Jesse. A busy week.